Hello, my name is Yonis. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to actually still open web pages and tools which basically using Flash Player. To get started, you need to visit a website, basically, which has this icon here. You click on this icon and then it's going to navigate you to Adobe Flash. Download the Flash Player. Flash Player is finished downloading. Click Save. Go to the downloaded page, click on the executable file, and then click Yes. Allow Adobe to install the updates. Yeah. So it's asking you to restart your web browser. Click Finish. So shut down your web browser and reopen it again. Now if we visit the website and you click on this icon again, now you will see a little pop-up. Click on this pop-up, select Manage, select this option here, Block Sites, to ask first. Let's close this window. And if we click now, it's going to ask us, would you like to allow? Select Allow. And the website with a Flash Player will actually load the Flash content. Hope you learned something new today. Thank you very much for watching.